This is day 3 of our Cabo San Lucas trip and we are at the halfway mark. Our forecast for today was sunny skies. Little boats formed an assembly line ready to take us to our destination.
Love the hat, sister. Hi, sister.
Of course, we couldn't start our day without a photo shoot with the Disney characters.
Awesome. All right, doing a full family picture.
My outfit of the day was an off-the-shoulder white blouse with a tropical printed skirt, accessorized with a sun hat and sunglasses. My niece dressed up as Anna from Frozen and took pictures with Cinderella and Belle.
Love the outfit. Gracias. Gracias, hermana. Bienvenidos a la México. Vamos a la playa. Jessica. Hi. Hey, John. Carlos. Bienvenidos a México. Alisa. Hi. So cute.
Okay, now we're going on the little boat.
On a little boat.
Now watch your step. You gotta do one of those.
It was smooth sailing in these boats. It was like riding in a car.
Say, vamos a la playa. We're going to the beach. Vamos a la playa. Yeah. Yay, so fun. Wow, look at the background. Look at the background.
I just love creating new memories together.
I'm holding on to the boat. Woohoo! We're going to Mexico. Spider-Man went to Mexico. Mexico. Viva la Mexico. Mexico people. Augie, say hi. Vamos a la Mexico. We're going to Mexico. Don't lose Spider-Man. Bye, Spider-Man. Oh, don't. Nico. Hi. Carlos. Get the mountain first.
It was perfect weather to take pictures.
We're in Mexico. Say bye. Say bye. Look at me.
Nico.
We're in Mexico.
Hi, Nico.
I see it.
Swimming.
Look at the beautiful water. I know. I'm looking at it. I saw seals. Yeah.
Even the animals came out to play, just like in the Disney movies. When we landed, everybody was so friendly. Nothing could put a damper on our day.
You almost left Spider-Man in Mexico.
We met with the friendly vendors and we were on a mission to find a boat.
Taxi, amigo.
Siempre quieres seguir viéndolos como niños, ¿no?
Don't lean over it, Derek. Bienvenidos, amigos.
Sí, no, yo lo voy a recoger a la 1.
Hi.
Ahí está uno, mira, sí, Laia.
I'm gonna take a photo.
The water feels good. Just wanted to dive in.
Like the rest of our trip, Mexico had perfect weather. It was just right. The meeting of the mountain and the ocean created a very scenic route. It was truly breathtaking, not your ordinary day. I was able to get a picture of the Disney wonder and the ocean as my backdrop. On this adventure, we met with fishes, seagulls, and sea lions. Our guide showed us all the local landmarks, including Lover's Beach. It was time to head back and get some food in our bellies. Our destination, Marina, Cabo San Lucas, and Playa Médano.
Hi. Aggie. Hi. Is this the first time you're on the beach? No. No?
For the kids, it was time for some sun in the sun. We people watched and ate at a restaurant called The Office, located on the sands of the beach. We found Jessica's doppelganger. We all looked a bit sun-kissed.
I'm all tan.
As our appetizer, we ordered black bean nachos with flank steak.
Taking a video.
Ah, that's good.
For lunch, I ordered steak tacos with a flour tortilla. It was time to dance and play before we got our food.
You wanna do it? Yeah. I want you to dab and make it. I'm gonna record you, recording me. Dab.
I can't do it.
No, I want you to dab. I can go really close. I can see you really close. Yeah.
Sorry, did you order? Oh, hablas español. Hablas español. Tu order. Lo siento. Mi orden es, voy a comer un burrito de Cabo. Burrito. Incluye mariscos, como pescado y
cheese, queso, camarón, y ya está. Y arroz y frijoles.
The serving was definitely supersized.
We in Mexico, bitches! Hey, we're in Mexico! Sticking on your shoulder, you better dust your shoulders off. Like this? It's not coming off. Like this. Brush your shoulders off. Brush your shoulders off. What? Think I put on you. ¿Quieres bailar y jugar? You wanna dance and play? Sí. Yeah? Watch your mouth.
I don't want to dance, I just want to play.
Okay.
This is funny. Look, I can see myself of you taking recording.
Smile.
Spying on the spy. I wonder who he got it from.
Alyssa!
Uncle John, what are you doing?
Alyssa!
I can see you.
Oh no!
My nachos was enough to feed the whole table.
Wait! Put it down! Xavier, cheers! Come here! Say cheers!
I need an umbrella.
Salud!
Salud. Not even your hand.
My face was full of happiness and bliss eating into these nachos. The cheese just melted in your mouth. I'd love to eat these nachos again.
On three. One. Eat on three. One. 2, 3.
Hungry.
Really good. Augie, have some nachos. How's it, Alex? How's the food? What did you order?
What?
The Baja burrito and the shrimp tortilla.
What'd you order, Carlos?
Like I said, mine is
What?
soup.
Right there, that soup right there?
That's a soup with like different.
So you can see there's like a Mexican gumbo or something.
Yeah, kind of.
I tried jet skiing with Jessica and Alex, and I was scared, but it was so much fun.
Here you go.
This is how I know how to swim. Now, I'm like fishing.
What's your favorite part?
My favorite part is the ocean beach.
The ocean?
Yeah,
First time on the ocean?
yeah. And I like that swimming. And I like that ocean pull me back when I swim in